Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another tutorial. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribe on the notification bell for you to be the first to notify whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you guys for keep on turning in. May God bless you all. So today is another tutorial. It's all about eyebrow tutorial. Yes, so I'll be using this brush, to brush my eyebrow. This brush, this very one you are seeing here. Yes, so I will use it to brush my eyebrow up, for you to get the perfect eyebrow you want to create. I'm using this eyebrow Davis extra waterproof protective number 3. That is what I'm using now to draw the eyebrow. Is a dark brown. This is the dark brown, so I will also use the light brown later if I want to fill it. So just take it down, draw it, continue. So if you want to do the upper eyebrow, you don't start for the beginning just like that, like this. So you have to curve it from there to the tail. So I will just start from this place, not the beginning. Start to draw and draw, curve it the way I show you guys. So connect it together, so it's not together now. So that is it. So I will do the same thing the other side. So I'm doing the same thing the other side, so the way I did the other one. Maybe they cannot be the same like twins, but they can be sisters. Yes, that is all about eyebrows. Sometimes will be twins, sometimes will be sisters. No, they look alike but they are not, something like that. So I'm try to get the parts if it's straight well, so to connect in a 3-dimension way. Yeah, so let me say 3-dimension, this size and the other size. That is it. So I'm trying to fill up the empty gap, the opening gap. Yeah, that is what I'm trying to fill up. Blend it, blend and blend till I get my choice, till I get what I want. So I'm using the number 18 light eyebrow, the light one. That is what I'm using to create that place like natural parts, to make it natural. So that is why I'm taking it up, drawing it up. So that is what I'm doing. Even though you make mistake or you draw it more than the light, there's no problem. You can correct it later. So I'm still doing the same thing the other side to blend it, cover the gap, the opening gap. So I'm still trying to get the natural eyebrow side. It's very important. You cannot make everything like dark more than, you have to create it lighter. You can also use it dark throughout. You will use a concealer to make it natural. It's also possible. So I'm using this elegant concealer. I forgot the name, so I will leave it in the description box and the number so you can see it. I got it from Amazon. So I just pumped a little bit for my back of my hand. Yes, this quantity. So I'm using this brush. This flat brush is very important. It will be flat and also long. Don't start for this side, don't start for the beginning, just start for the middle side and apply it, blend, curve first of all, curve it how you want it. So before you start for the beginning. So you can also use the concealer that go with your skin tone, because I'm just trying to get a, try to get to just only the eyebrow. I'm using the same color for the upper side of my eyebrow. Normal, you have to use your concealer that go with your skin tone, like the one that go with your foundation, for the upper side, and it's very good. So yeah, I'll be blending it all together. So you see, just take your time to blend it, don't rush. That is why we don't, many of us, you see that we don't do our eyebrow when we are filming. We prepare our eyebrow before started filming. That is it, So I'm doing the same thing in the other side, using concealer to correct create the look, the eyebrow look, if that makes sense. So that is what I'm doing, cleaning up the eyebrow. So I'm doing the same thing in the upper side of the eyebrow. Try to use the concealer to clean the eyebrow look. Yeah, that is what I'm doing, blending, connect the other side to each other. Yeah, so they are not twins, they look alike, like sisters. As I said before, that is it, So this is the end of this video. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with friends. I know it will help someone. So see you guys on my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Love you all. Bye. Cheers.